Made it to the edge of the earth, bro. So right now we're walking up to the new house I just purchased. It's that one. You can go ahead and zoom in on it for me. I don't have my mic, so it doesn't sound good. We're gonna walk to the Shaolin monk temple right here. We're gonna go meet with the Shaolin monk, and we're gonna go over that big loss with the Shaolin monk.
Baby, that's racist. Stop.
And he's gonna let us know all the wisdom that we need to know.
Min?
There's snakes and lizards everywhere, y'all. We gotta take socks and kids. Sketching me out a little. But besides that, we took a couple trades and lost the other 300s. There's not really much to go off of on the other ones. The main massive L we took was on that one stupid trade. Homie hit me up. He said, let's swing puts and spy spike 50 points. What is up? It's riding day. It's a little bit rainy, so I hope it's not too rainy at the track. It's also Colorado Avalanche bet day. I told you guys about this. We are due for a fucking win. So when you're due for a win, we're gonna win, baby. So yeah, you know, we had a rough month trading or whatever, but new month. I'm feeling like this is a fresh start. This is the first day of the month. Not really. But it's the start of the month, and we're gonna go rip it. We're gonna go bet on the Avalanche and win, and it's gonna be a free day of fun. Yeah, let's fucking go. God damn that. Locked and fucking loaded. Let's go get it. guys rocking with the porcupine here? This shit's crazy. We got time for one more moto. My right arm is hurting, but we're honestly ripping today, absolutely fucking shredding shit. So gonna use the time to get one more good moto in. Then we're gonna head back. We got quite the drive. I lost my phone in the truck when I did that shit. Oh, that was fucking funny. Fresh, baby, fresh. So this thing honestly has been a steed for me. I can't complain one bit about this bitch. It's honestly one of the better bikes I've ever purchased in my life. No issues, bro. She just rips, bro. I'm about to flip my clutch plates on it because its clutch in second is definitely weak as hell, boy. I also just washed the truck and I went brazy with it. I just sprayed inside of the fucking everything. So yeah, bro. We're at maximum capacity for the unit. Maximum capacity. After a successful day of motoing, the best thing you can do is dab up some Bare Labs live rosin. This shit is pure pressure. I don't even know what the fuck I'm smoking on right now. Get ready for pure greatness.
Just picked up where he left off. Last played game 6 with Tampa Bay when they won the Stanley Cup.
Do you know how much that is? A lot. Okay. It's a lot.
Please, Colorado, please. Whoop these motherfuckers' ass. Come on. Come on. Come on. Across. Out in the middle. Get that. Keeper, come up. No. Yup. That's the finale.